Now it's about time I wrote you a letter. Hey baby, it's me, for worse or for better. Got nothing to waste, in pace for another lane. No loss, only gain. I know all we had has dried like the desert. Stains from the sand still on my t-shirt, and I crave a drink of heavenly cool, cool rain. And after all, you were the greatest. After all, I did my best. There is nothing to regret, big or small. After all, there wasn't a loophole. We were bound to take the fall. Life goes on and on and on. After all, now it's about time I settle the story. You slept in too late and missed all the glory. Got stuck in a dream that finally